Hi, welcome to Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to remove blocked contact without unblocking on Messenger. So this is the home page of my Messenger. I just have to click on menu option found at the bottom right corner of the screen. So right here, all you have to do is to click on the settings option. Scroll gently. You're going to see an option that says privacy and safety. Click on it. So right here, you just have to scroll gently, click on block account. So these are the list of people that I have blocked on my Messenger so far. So in order to unblock any of these people, I just have to go back, scroll gently, click on report technical problem. So it says go back to where you saw the problem and shake your device, or you can just click on report anyway, click on include. So right here, I just have to click on you see briefly explain what happened, what we need to do to reproduce the problem. So you just have to type in please remove block contact without unblocking and send it. So Messenger will give you reply within 24 hours, and then the contact will be removed from your Messenger. The blocked contact will be removed from your Messenger. So guys, that is it on how to remove block contact without unblocking on Messenger. If this video was helpful, please do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.